And welcome to this video, and we are over here learning to solve statistics using R programming. हाँ, आपने सही सुना है कि हम लोग R यूज करके statistics के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। क्या आपको कोई प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज नहीं आती है? सो दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। मैं आपको एकदम आसानी से सारे प्रोग्रामिंग जो R के जो कोड्स है वो क्लियरली समझा दूंगी। मैं ही आपको सबसे आसानी से एकदम बेसिक से सिखाऊंगी। तो अगर आपको कोई कुछ ना भी पता हो, then also it won't be a problem. You won't have any doubt. And if you have for more doubts, and if you have, you can clear it from Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. For classes, mock tests, doubt clearing and guidance, number screen पे दिया हुआ है. The number is 9836793076. So let's get started. So in the previous video, we have talked a lot about vectors and what is a vector, how to access vector. Now what we can statistically do with vector. So I will start with the very basic, which is the central tendency, which is a mean median mode, and how to find mean median mode of given vector value. So over here, I have a numeric vector value, which I have stored here, and simply run it. Next, we have to find the mean of it. So we use the statistical function mean. Simple. Let's run it. And we can find the mean, which is 22.5, which is a median. Now, we have found the mean, we have found the median. Now we want to find mode. But unlike mean and median, R doesn't have a direct mode function. So we have to go a bit step by step. I'll explain it to you. So first we have the function x. So this is a function that will explain this whole code that I have written. So first ux variable we will store unique. We will use the function unique. Now this line will extract the unique elements from the vector x. That's necessary because mode calculation is concerned with counting occurrence of each unique values. So उसको run करने के बाद we will come to this part, which is to match x with the unique values. Why? This part of the code uses the match function to find the index of each element of the original vector x within the unique element ux. The tabulated function जो यहाँ पर है, which will then count the occurrence of each unique value of x like a frequency table. Imagine a frequency table. This is what it is. Now which is max? So we are asking ki out of this we have made the frequency table. Now out of which, because there is only one mode, so which of it has the maximum number of occurrence? Okay, so this function finds the index of the maximum value in the results obtained from the previous step, which corresponds to the mode. Okay, and so the occurrence, but we don't want just the occurrence, the maximum occurrence. We want which value had the maximum occurrence. And for that again we will use the ux outside to extract it from this function that we have run. Okay, so it's a bit complicated, but please try to understand. First we find the unique values, then we try to match it with the original value, and then tabulate it to find a frequency table, and then the maximum frequency, and then which value will have that maximum frequency. And this all will be under the curly brackets, and then we will run it. So run it, but then we have to store this and find the numeric vector for it. Let's see what is the numeric vector. Okay, so the mode vector, let me find it out.